And today with Property Cloud, we are here at Titanium SPR, which is located right on NH8 and is very close to the Dwarka Expressway and also to Extension Road. यहाँ से airport is going to be hardly 20 minutes. And in today's video, not just the location, I'm going to tell you everything about the property overview, a little more about the location, the amenities, the carpet areas, and a lot more. Let's take a look at the project. Now, this is the complete project, लेकिन जो पूरा का पूरा township है, that is going to be in a total 130 acres of land parcel, which will have more than 50 swimming pools inside the vicinity. But इस वक्त अगर हम बात करें इसके बारे में, तो this is a total land parcel of approximately 22.2 acres, which will have a total of approximately 12 towers, which will have multiple options in 3.5 and 4.5 BHKs. This complete project will have 7 different types of swimming pools and a very big clubhouse as well, जो कि आप यहाँ पर already देख सकते हैं. Now, the carpet areas of the houses that would be there, which would be starting from 2,780 square feet and will go up to 3,780 square feet. It will also have a sky garden and many more amenities inside the clubhouse. That would be a gymnasium, multiple sports areas, kids play areas, and a very large entrance which is connecting directly to your NH8. इतनी सारी amenities के साथ साथ अगर आप ये भी देखने जाएं कि घर के अंदर आपको क्या मिलेगा, so you will get a master bedroom which will have a double sized master washroom, which will have a tub, a completely furnished master bedroom, and a completely equipped kitchen as well. Now, these were the some details, but there are so many other details that you need to know about the project. So this was Titanium SPR. और अगर आप करना चाहते हैं यहाँ की साइट बुकिंग, तो आपको करना पड़ेगा नीचे दिए गए कैप्शन पर जल्दी से क्लिक, because that is how our salesperson will get in touch with you, and then with a free pickup and drop service, they will get you over here at the site and then connect you directly with the developer, thereby giving you the best possible price and also a zero brokerage plan. Along with that, we also have multiple payment options and multiple payment discounts that you will get right over here at Property Cloud, which is not just present in Delhi but also in other major cities like Bangalore, Pune, Mumbai, Kolkata, Nagpur, and many more, and many other countries like USA, Canada, Dubai, Singapore, and many more. Now, for all of this, you will have to connect with us right over here at Property Cloud with me, Ekta Kapoor. Stay tuned. Thank you.